Hi, in this tutorial today, we will like to see how to read a QR code using the Raspberry Pi Zero W and Raspberry Pi Camera Module 3. First, let's see how does a QR code works. A QR code, short for Quick Response Code, is a two-dimensional barcode that contains information that can be quickly scanned and decoded using a smartphone or a QR code reader. And how does a QR code works? QR code works by first encoding information, error correction, scanning, decoding, interpreting the information, and lastly, displaying or taking action. These are the 6 steps involved in how does a QR code works. Let's look at the hardware needed for this project. First, we will need a Raspberry Pi Zero W, a Raspberry Pi Camera Module 3, FPC cable for the camera, a power supply, acrylic casing, a SD card, and finally a mini HDMI adapter. First, we need to prepare the SD card. For this, I'm using the Raspberry Pi Imager. Use the latest OS, burn it, and make sure to have all the settings checked. Next, to assemble the hardware. To assemble the hardware is pretty much straightforward since it's more to plug and play. So once you have plugged in the SD card and all the ports, we can now power up the Raspberry Pi Zero W. For this project, we are not using the VNC viewer since there will be a lot of lagging. So I decided to use the HDMI adapter. So we will access the Raspberry Pi Zero W using the HDMI adapter. Once the Raspberry Pi Zero W has boots up, so we can now start to code. For the code, I will be using the sample code from the GitHub. It can be copied from the link shown. We will use the Tony application to run the code. If you notice, the code on the first very few lines is a comment. In the comments, it is listed the hardware that is being used for this project and also the libraries that are needed to run the code. So we need to install all the libraries needed before we can run the code. To install the libraries, open the terminal and run the codes one at a time, starting from the sudo apt get update till sudo reboot. Once we have installed all the libraries, now we can run the code. As we can see in the video now, the camera or the Raspberry Pi Zero W is able to detect the code, the barcode. As you can see, I'm showing one of the QR code and the QR code value is B0400. And from the image we are taking from the camera, it's also displaying the same value. Hence, this is successful. Another attempt is I tried to create my contact number using the QR code. And here also you can see the VCard value is being displayed here as well. So that's all for tutorial for today. Till we meet in our next tutorial. Thank you and bye-bye.